Hi everybody, it's Jennifer, and today we are going to do our mouth craft. So what you're going to need is this piece of construction paper along with a few of these little squares here. These white squares are going to be our teeth. We're also going to need a glue stick and either a crown, a colored pencil, or a marker. So to get started, you're going to take this piece of paper and just fold it in half. Okay, so this is going to be our mouth. And next, we'll take our glue stick and we're just going to get these little white pieces, these squares, glue those and place them onto our mouth, just like that. So it's going to take a little bit of time just to make each of the little teeth. And you're going to have teeth on both sides. So you're going to follow it around the edges with your teeth. So I'm going to keep going here. All right, so I'm almost finished with this side. And you can do the bigger squares can go in the back if you'd like, because they're more similar to our molars, which are the larger teeth in the back of our mouth. All right, so if you can see, I'm all done with this side. And now I'm going to go to the other side. And it doesn't have to be perfect. All right, I'm almost finished with this side. Just going to do a few more teeth. All right, so this is our mouth, and if you close it, it's like how you chomp with your teeth. So you have teeth on the top of your mouth and the bottom. So what we're going to do now is it's almost like our mouth is really wide open, and it's like we're looking at the bottom of our teeth. So you can pause this video if you need more time to finish putting your teeth on. And whenever you're finished, you can hit play again or ask your staff to help you. So we're going to talk about our teeth and about how to keep them clean and how to keep the cavities away. And so I want to talk about where cavities grow on our teeth the most. And so first I'm going to show you this picture. If you can see what this is right here, this is floss. So when we floss our teeth, we go in between the teeth. So this is one of the areas that plaque likes to grow, is in between our teeth. So what I'm going to do on my little mouth is I'm going to just draw some areas to remind myself in between my teeth that this is where plaque likes to grow. So do you see those little marks that I made? So that's just going to help me remember when I'm brushing my teeth I'm going to finish coloring in the rest of the way. When I'm brushing my teeth, I need to make sure that I'm cleaning out those areas because I don't want plaque to grow there and give me cavities. So let's talk about the next place that plaque likes to grow. And I have a picture. So if you can see, this is the top of the tooth, and there's some plaque growing in there. So unlike these teeth look smooth, but the teeth in our mouth, they're not smooth on the top. They have ridges like a mountain, like indentations, and that's where plaque likes to grow, okay? So I'm going to make a little mark on the inside of my tooth, and that's just going to help me to remember that especially the teeth in the back of our mouth, that's where that plaque likes to really grow. So, as you can see on my mouth, I made these marks to remind myself that I want to make sure that I brush and I get those areas clean, those deep ridges. I want to make sure that those are clean. And now here's one more picture. And this is another place that plaque likes to grow. And it's the area between our gum and our teeth. Okay? So that's another place that we have to be careful and we have to make sure that we're brushing our teeth really well. So to help me remember, I'm going to draw some little lines right between where the tooth comes, and we're going to pretend that's the gum. Okay? So I'm going to go around my tooth and I'm going to make lines just to remind myself these are the problem areas that we have to be extra careful and make sure that we're just doing our best when we brush our teeth to make sure that we clean all of those areas. So you can keep this in your bathroom near your sink to remind yourself of all of the places where plaque especially likes to grow. And this should help you just remember to keep up with your cleaning your mouth. So you're supposed to brush your teeth 2 times a day, and you're supposed to floss 1 time a day. So flossing is what helps us get in between the teeth. And when we're brushing, we have to make sure that we're getting really well those dips, the places in our teeth, and especially in the molars, and then near our gum line where our tooth and our gum meets. So those are the problem areas, and we want to make sure that we keep our mouth super clean and healthy so that our teeth stay strong. So we're going to be focusing all this week on keeping our mouth nice and clean and healthy. So I hope you all liked this activity. This is our mouth craft, and we're going to be talking more this week about how to take best care of our mouth as possible. Bye, everybody.